Thank you for calling ZATIS IT and Cybersecurity. This is Jason. How can I help you?
I've got an emergency. My mouse is completely broken.
What? A mouse? That's a serious issue. Tell me exactly what's happening.
Well, it's not moving. The cursor isn't moving, and the scroll wheel doesn't work, and I can't click on anything.
Okay, let's not panic. Have you tried CPR?
CPR? Oh, yeah, okay, I can do that. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, don't forget to blow on it.
Blowing on it? Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, let's try defibrillation next.
Okay, defibrillation? Defibrillation?
Locate the battery port and change the batteries.
Oh, okay, yeah, I can change the battery. All right, okay, stay calm. Oh, we are live. We are so alive. Oh, thank goodness. Oh, I don't know how much to thank you, man. You are a lifesaver. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It's my job to save the world one mouse at a time. Thanks for calling ZATIS. Have a wonderful day. What's your favorite mouse? Ergonomic, Logitech, Microsoft, you name it? Put it in the comments. Let us know. Got a mouse emergency? Give us a call. ZATISIT.com. Happy to help you.